What is dynamic tire balancing? Have you ever felt your car shake or vibrate while driving? That could be a sign of tire imbalance. Today, we are going to talk about dynamic tire balancing and why it matters, especially for new drivers and car owners. Dynamic tire balancing is a method that ensures your tires rotate smoothly and evenly. This is essential for the performance and safety of your vehicle. The process uses specialized machines to spin the tire and wheel assembly at high speeds. This mimics how they would spin while you are driving. The machine detects any imbalances in the tire that can cause vibrations or uneven wear. Let's break it down a bit. There are two types of imbalances: static and dynamic. A static imbalance occurs when a tire is heavier on one side than the other. This can cause the tire to lean when placed on a balancing machine. On the other hand, a dynamic imbalance happens when the tire is spinning and there is an even weight distribution. This causes the tire to shimmy from side to side. Dynamic balancing corrects both types of imbalances. So how does it work? The tire is mounted on a computer-controlled balancing machine. This machine spins the tire to detect imbalances in both vertical and lateral planes. This allows for precise adjustments by adding weights to both the inner and outer sides of the wheel rim. Now, why is this important? Dynamic balancing smooths out your ride by eliminating vibrations. It also helps prevent uneven tire wear, which can lead to premature tire failure and increased maintenance costs. Most importantly, it improves safety by enhancing vehicle stability, especially at high speeds. For teenagers who are new to driving or car ownership, understanding tire balancing is key. Regular balancing can extend the life of your tires and improve your vehicle's performance. If you notice any vibrations or uneven wear on your tires, it is a good idea to have them checked and balanced by a professional. This simple maintenance step can save you money in the long run and ensure your safety on the road. Remember, keeping your tires balanced is an important part of maintaining your vehicle's health. So, the next time you think about changing a tire, don't forget to consider dynamic tire balancing. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your driving experience.